Is your iPhone screen completely black? No Apple logo. No response. Just dead silence. You're not alone. The iPhone black screen of death is a real thing, especially after updating to iOS 18. But here's the good news. Most of the time, it's not a hardware problem. You don't need to replace your screen or buy a new phone. It's usually a software glitch, and you can fix it at home in just a few steps. Let's break it down. First, why does this happen? iOS 18 is packed with new features, and updates like this can sometimes clash with background apps, drain your battery weirdly, or freeze your phone during install. The result? Your screen goes black. It might still be on, but nothing shows up. Now let's fix it. Step 1. Force restart. This is your go-to move. It forces the system to reboot without erasing any data. Here's what to do. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Then quickly press and release volume down. Now press and hold the side button. Keep holding, even if the screen stays black. Eventually, the Apple logo should appear. If it does, you're back in business. No data lost. Simple as that. Didn't work? Let's try step 2. Charge your phone. There's a chance the battery completely drained during the update, or the phone crashed in the middle of restarting. Plug it into a working charger. Wait at least 30 minutes. Even if nothing shows up on the screen, give it time. Once charged, repeat the force restart. That often kicks it back to life. Still stuck on a black screen? Time for step 3. Restore using iTunes or Finder. Connect your iPhone to a computer. Open iTunes if you're on Windows or Finder if you're on a Mac. Then perform the same button combo. Volume up, volume down, hold the side button. But this time, don't release the side button when you see the Apple logo. Keep holding until the recovery mode screen appears. It'll show a cable pointing to a computer. Now, on your computer, choose Update. Not Restore, at least not yet. Update reinstalls iOS 18 without deleting your data. This step can take 10 to 20 minutes. Once done, your phone should boot up normally. If the update fails, only then should you try Restore. But that will erase your phone unless you have a backup. Now let's talk about preventing this mess in the future. Always back up your iPhone before installing major iOS updates, either to iCloud or your computer. Also, close out apps before updating, especially heavy ones like games or editing tools. And never update when your battery is low or your storage is almost full. These little things make a big difference. Alright, you made it. Hopefully, your iPhone is alive and well again. If this helped you out, give the video a thumbs up. Hit subscribe for more iPhone fixes. And drop a comment if you're still having issues. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and don't let iOS updates scare you again.